Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by cleaning the area and removing oils or dirt so products adhere properly. Once done, scoop a pea to 1/2 teaspoon of Vaseline or pour a few drops of baby oil onto your palm. You want a thin layer, not a glob. Apply with gentle pressure, moving outward from the center to spread evenly. Make sure to test a small patch first if you have sensitive skin, and wait 24 hours to check for reactions before wider use. You next combine technique and purpose. Oil is lightweight for quick spread and massage, while Vaseline is occlusive and seals moisture. Once the area is hydrated, after a shower or oil massage, apply oil with short, gentle strokes to distribute hydration. Make sure to follow with a thin Vaseline layer to lock in moisture and protect skin from friction. For cuticles and lips, use a dab of Vaseline. If you need deeper absorption, massage oil. You finish by removing any obvious excess so you don't stain clothes. A blot with tissue is enough. Once applied, allow Vaseline to sit and form a protective layer. Make sure not to overapply on acne-prone facial areas because Vaseline can trap oil. If irritation, redness, or itching appears, cleanse with mild soap and discontinue both products. For a greasy feel, use less product next time or blend a small amount of oil into your lotion to reduce tackiness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.